What is webpage versus website? The terms webpage versus website are commonly used when it comes to browsing the internet. Both terms are often used interchangeably and seem to be relevant. However, there are many differences between webpage versus website. This article will discuss the important differences between webpage versus website. It will also help you understand the importance of each. This will help us to understand how we navigate through websites and browse web pages. What is the purpose of the web page? A web page can be defined as one document or one page on any website. Each web page is linked to a unique URL address that allows access to the page. These URLs and web pages may be public or private, depending on how they are configured by developers. URLs can be navigated by any web browser. Characteristics. These are the characteristics of the website. The web page is a component of a website and contains many topics that are related to it. Although different web page versus website may use the same title name, they should be located in separate documents with different URLs. What is a website? A website is a collection of several web pages linked together using hyperlinks. To uniquely identify the website, all web pages are linked to a single domain. Websites provide the primary source for linking hyperlinks to various sections. These sections may also include other relevant websites. A web browser can be used to navigate any website. Websites use the same programming languages as web page development. Website development can be more complicated and takes longer. Not all websites have the same homepage. Contact, support, blog, and forum are common. Sometimes websites can be constructed with one entity content and no hyperlinks. These websites are called a single-page website. There are key differences between a website and a web page. The primary difference between a web page and a website is that a web page is a single document on the internet under a unique URL. A website, on the other hand, is a collection or pages that link together information about a topic or another subject under a single domain address. Are a few key differences between a web page versus website. A web page is a small part of any website that contains content and links to other websites. A website, on the other hand, is a collection of web pages that address specific topics. URLs, uniform resource locators. Every website has a unique domain address. All web pages are linked under the same domain. This means that web pages depend on this domain. The website is independent of any web pages. Even if any create pages are deleted, the website continues to work. So, what's the confusion? Web page versus website. It's easy to confuse web page and website, as they refer to similar functionalities. Or maybe they just start with web. You should know the difference. What is the difference? It's actually simpler than you might think. Website. A web page is a page in a book. A website, however, is a book. It's a collection pages that have a common thread. The pages 1 to 585 are combined to make Moby Dick. All web pages on your website are connected to create your website. Why is it important? Are you being picky or just trying to make sure you understand the differences between these terms? Knowing the difference between these terms can make or break your campaign for one simple reason. Search engines do not index websites. They index web pages only.